In today's video, we're answering the question, do I need a business bank account for my LLC? We're going to cover why there is a very clear answer for this question, but there are some intricacies that we do need to talk about. So yes, we will talk about why you guys should have a business bank account. And if you're looking for a good business bank account, we'll be sure to leave our favorite ones down below in the description. Novo and Mercury are the two business bank accounts that we recommend, and we'll have some exclusive deals if you use our links down below in the description. And these are affiliate links, so if you do use our link, we do get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you, but this really helps us keep creating free videos and content like this for you. So thank you so much in advance for helping us out there. The quick answer to this question is yes, you should have a business bank account for your LLC, but I will say that you are not required to have one. However, if you talk to any expert out there, they're likely going to recommend that you have a business bank account to keep your personal assets separate from your business assets. If you're a sole proprietorship or an LLC, like we talked about earlier, then you're technically not required to have a business bank account. However, most people that do have a business are going to have a business bank account. I would say most of the people that have a sole proprietorship probably don't have a business bank account, but when it comes to an LLC, it's extremely important. If you're watching this video, you probably already have an LLC, so you understand the benefits of limited liability protection. And as a result, you probably understand that you do not want to mix your personal assets with your business assets, because doing this can pierce the corporate veil, and in the unfortunate event that you were ever sued, this could cause you some trouble in court. So let's talk about some of the different reasons why it makes a lot of sense if you're an LLC owner to have a separate business bank account. And trust me, I do this for myself. I have a couple of different businesses and I have separate bank accounts for each one of those businesses. And if you watch through to the end of the video, trust me, you're going to understand exactly why this is. The first point here that we've already sort of mentioned is the limited liability protection, is that having a business bank account is going to help protect your limited liability. When you commingle your business and personal financial transactions, then it places you in a situation where if you get sued, it makes it a lot more likely that they can come for your personal assets. And really, this is one of the biggest benefits of having an LLC in the first place, is that people cannot come after your personal assets. They can only come after what's in the LLC. So the idea that we like to say is not having a business bank account is sort of like running a marathon, but stopping 100 meters short of the finish line. It doesn't really make too much sense. Now, you can technically use your personal bank account to pay for things in your business, but when it comes to bookkeeping, trust me, it's going to make everything more complicated in the future. When I started my first company, I started with my personal bank account, and the first time I had to do taxes, it was a nightmare because I had all my personal and business expenses mixed. So do not do this. It's just going to make a lot more headache for you in the future. When it comes down to it, business protection is key. And that's one reason why you don't want to use your personal bank account for your business stuff. Okay, now let's move on to the topic of bookkeeping, because having a business bank account is going to make your bookkeeping a lot easier. With any business, you want to track how your business is doing. And with a personal account, it's going to be a lot harder to do that. You're basically going to have mixed personal expenses and income, as well as business expenses and income. Separating these two can become pretty complicated, like I said earlier. And so it makes so much sense to just have them separate from the start. This separate business bank account can help you track how your business is doing and how much income you're earning, which is going to allow you to create monthly profit and loss statements. You'll also be able to know that everything within your business bank account is tax deductible, or at least it should be. And so in the case of an audit by the IRS, they'll be able to say, okay, these are all business expenses and business income. There's nothing personal in this account, which is good. As a business owner, paying your taxes and paying the right amount of taxes falls on you and your accountant. By having your own business bank account, you can know exactly how much profit your business has. You know the gross income and the expenses, and so it's really going to make it a lot easier for you to know how much tax you're supposed to pay. And trust me, guys, you don't want to get into trouble with the IRS for your tax bill. Definitely make sure that you're paying the right amount. Also, when you guys are doing business, another big pro of a business bank account is that when you interact with your client, like sending an invoice, it looks kind of weird if you're having them pay it to your personal account. So you definitely want to have a business checking account with your business name on it for your clients to actually pay you. And this also is going to translate to your checks. So if you have a personal bank account and you're paying vendors from your personal account, that name is going to show up on the check, which does not look professional at all. And also, having a business bank account actually opens you up to this whole new world of business banking. Another big pro of having a business bank account is that it allows you to build credit for your business. With business credit, you can take out loans, get business credit cards, and essentially leverage a lot more business using your business name, not just your personal name. You guys also might be wondering what the difference difference between a personal bank account and a business bank account is. And there really aren't too many differences feature-wise, but the main big difference is the separation from your personal and your business. And the great thing is that there are so many different business bank accounts out there with 0 fees and 0 minimum deposits. And that's why, in our opinion, it makes so much sense to have a business bank account. And you can also open up business credit cards tied to this business bank account. We'll have some of our favorite business credit cards listed down below in the description as well. Business credit cards allow you to rack up a ton of points by just spending money that you would already have spent for your business. So that's basically the long-winded answer for, do you need a business bank account for your LLC? The answer is yes, you should have a business bank account for your LLC. There's so many different benefits for having a business bank account, which it really just does not make sense to use your personal bank account for that purpose. And trust me, if you're using your personal account for your business right now, you will regret that sometime in the future, just like I did. So you might as well get signed up for a business bank account today. Again, we'll leave our 2 favorite ones, Novo and Mercury, down below in the description. These are both fantastic options for small business owners. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for your time. We really hope that you got a lot of value out of this video. If you did, please leave us a like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit the notification bell for more videos like this in the future. This channel is dedicated to helping new and existing business owners on everything related to LLCs. And we review the best tools and platforms out there to help business owners set up, manage, and optimize their LLC. With that said, thank you so much for watching. We wish you the best on your entrepreneurship journey, and we will see you in the next video.